Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest more like this glitch on Samsung. To know how to fix or how to solve Pinterest more like this glitch on Samsung, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps. Sorry. You will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will go down to find application of Pinterest and you will enter. After that, you will go to click for stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. Then here you should to click clear cache. After that, you will go to click clear data. And when you will end all this stuff, as you see here, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.